How to remove the electrolytic capacitor using soldering iron. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the electrolytic capacitor using a soldering iron. If you want to remove any electrolytic capacitor, then you have to hold it like this. Behind, there are 2 points. First, you have to melt it. The point which you will melt, you have to pull it a little. You have to pull it only when it is fully melted. Apply pressure and press it lightly. Now put it back. You have to see the negative and positive sign. The white one on the motherboard is negative or minus, and the white strip on the capacitor is negative. So you have to place it in such a way that the negative should match with negative. Okay, so you see that these pins are not matching or aligned properly. So we have to set them and align it using a tweezer. If it is matching the points, then we will solder it with soldering iron. The point where we will melt, we apply a little pressure on it. Check whether the capacitor is fixed properly or not. Clean the tip of soldering iron if you need to. So if there is no carbon accumulated on it, I'm going to use a little amount of paste also. And next is you have to push it from down after applying heat only. You have to push it, okay? You can use a soldering wire also if you want to. The points are clear now. So this is how we remove the electrolytic capacitor on the motherboard and put it back again. Alright, if you practice then, you will be able to do it perfectly.